Hey, what's up? Just a quick reminder that we have some nice free assets this month, so don't forget to download them. We have Cave Ruins, looks super awesome. We have fantasy characters, very nice addition if you want to add some characters to your game. And we have some Temples of Cambodia, which will replace some of the Mega Scans asset. As you know, the Mega Scans are no longer free. They will cost you $1 per asset in the next year. Rocket Thrusters if you are into some rocket science, and Stylized Paris for some nice stylized game. Don't forget to go and click free here and there so you can check out the new assets that are coming into Unreal Engine. There are some good assets over here, and there are some high quality things, so don't forget to check it out. And don't forget also Orbital Market Search. Go to Orbital Market Search, and over here click search. You can sort by popularity, descending, ascending, by engine versions, release time, by price, by discount, categories, favorites, and so on. This is a 10 times better marketplace search than original Unreal Engines. So if you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Drop some likes and comments as always, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.